back to the Fitness with Myself hammer. So today it's going to be a low intensity cardio session, so half an hour, 3 mini circuits, loads of different movements. So let's go, Friday, let's have a bit of fun. So warm up and jog on the spot. So today's playlist has been done by the staff Facebook group, so thank you for everyone that's posted their songs on there. Okay, so just to make it a bit fun, jog around your mat. If you've got a mat, just jog around in circles around the dog if you've got one. Okay, and then heels to go. Behind me if you want. This is just to get our heart rate up, get moving, get off the couch, from our desks, ready for the weekend. Okay, jumping jacks. So again, same as last week, you go at your own pace. So if you feel like this is too much, you can slow it down. Okay, let's go into squats. So with squats, we keep our back straight. We turn our feet slightly outwards, then we try and put our bones to the floor, straight down. So we'll be doing 30 seconds work, 30 seconds rest throughout today's workout. So push as hard as you can for 30 seconds and get nice rest. Okay, final one, we're going to do wide feet, fast as you can. Everything warmed up, ready to go. Okay, slow it down. So we go into our max. We're going to do some donkey kicks with rotations as well. So we kick up, leg over, making a circle with our hip. Final side. Okay. Grab a quick drink, so make sure you've got one. Keep hydrated. It's going to be a sweaty workout today. Right then, first circuit is we're going to go down dog to ankle touches. Then we're going to move into mountain climbers. Moving then on to sumo squats before we do some ski moves. Okay, so 4 movements, we're going to repeat them twice, but we'll have the breaks in between as well. Okay, so work hard for 30 seconds, then you get a nice long rest. Make sure you push yourself as much as you want to. So don't push yourself too much because you don't want any injuries. But yeah, so let's go. So we'll plank. So we start in plank position just to get a nice strong core. From here, you need to get up into the down dog position. Okay, if you can't get your foot on the floor, don't worry if you can't. What we're going to do is stretch, touch, in between. Okay, we're ready. 30 seconds into this position. Ready in 3, 2, 1, let's go. So make sure you try and keep your legs straight. Keep your core strong. Not far now. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. Well done. The next movement, you're going to stay down there. You're going to go mountain climbers, okay? So bring your knee up to your chest, and do that seconds. Good. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go. If you feel it's getting too hard, slow it down, even to a step per piece if you have to. Yeah. As long as you keep moving. So keep your back straight. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and that's there. Well done. Woo! Definitely warming up now. Okay, so sumo squats next. So as we did in the warm up, have our feet facing outwards a bit. So we're going to go down to the floor, keeping our back straight, keeping our core tight, all the way to the floor. Use your arms as well if you want. Bring them in front of you. So from here, on the way up, try and squeeze your butt cheeks together. So you'll feel the workout. Right then, 30 seconds. Are you ready? In 3, 2, 1, let's go. Feel that burn. So don't be afraid, you can slow it down if you need to. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. Well done. Right, this last move, ski move, okay? So we start from standing, shoulder width apart. We're going to step back with our right leg, bring it behind our left leg. And put our arm down as well. So like we go in skating. So we're going to do opposites. Go as fast as you can, just get used to that movement first. Okay. So are we ready? I'll do it sideways so I don't slip off on that. Ready? In 3, 2, 1, let's go! Pretend you're on top of your hands, okay? Go as low as you can. Keep your upper body control. Can speed it up if you feel a bit more confident. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and well done. Well done. Okay. We're going to do that again. So same 4 movements, same 30 seconds, and then a big rest afterwards. Are you ready? From the plank position, make our way back up to downward dog position. Nice stretch and hamstrings as well. So you ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go! So keep doing. Last 5, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Diane, down legs to mountain climbers. So from the press-up position, bring your knee to your chest. Go as fast or as slow as you want. Consider your workout for 30 seconds. And get a nice rest. Are we ready? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go! Remember, back straight, tummy tight. Turn our feet facing a bit outwards. Bum straight down to the floor, keeping it back straight. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go! Feeling confident? You can bring the hop in as well. So the jumping squats. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice! Last move. I love this one. Back to skiing. So remember, right leg behind the left, calm down. Here you look up, always look when you're going when you're skiing. Right then, you ready? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go! Keep low. Keep looking where you're going. Nearly there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And breathe. Well done. That's the first circuit done. Now 1 minute recovery. Take some water on. Have a breather. Remember, deep breaths, okay? Big inhales in. Fill your lungs up, okay? Breathing out, through the mouth, get all that air out. Nice, good job. Definitely feeling a bit warm now. Okay, so circuit 2, still working on our legs. Obviously core comes in as well, and we're using both. So we're going to start with a back lunge. So step back into a lunge. We're going to bring back to standing before lifting in here. We're going to stick to working on one side first. So we'll go with the right hand side. The leg back, bring feet together, bring it up. If you're feeling a bit adventurous, you want to do something advanced, so step back, bring it in, lean forward. There's everything. Are you ready? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sit. Hold your core up strong. Step back. Together. And together. So feel adventurous. Back in. Fly out. Okay, keep going. Working that balance. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. Well done. Straight into sumo squats again. Okay, it's a big wide stance. Feet facing outwards. Lunge down to the bottom and back up. You ready? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. That's what the song says. Push through it. Keep going. That's it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice work. Okay, switch legs. So this time it's going to be my left leg. So same thing again, back lunge, and to bring it up. So push it through. Oh, what a tune. Okay, so step back into lunge, and if you can, slide forwards. Are we ready? more squats again. Same as before. Legs wider, okay? So pretend Bruce Lee more actually. Hold it down to the floor. Keeping my back straight. Core tight. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. You can go all the way, don't worry. Go low down as you can. Keep going. Nearly there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. Well done. Next one, 30 seconds, quick feet, wide stance, okay? So you might want to step off your mat for this one, so you don't slip everywhere. Okay, ready, wide stance. So quick fast feet. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go! And we're back to walk you on. Keep going. Work your feet. Side to side, like a crack. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice, good work. Take a breather, take some water on before we do the third and the final circuit. So the third circuit is all about core stability, keeps all our bodies straight basically and strong. Whoever chose this tune, thank you very much. It's a good one. Okay, so the final circuit is going to be crunches. Okay, so sit-ups and mini versions, okay? So you lie on the floor, hands on your head, each side of your ears if you want to. So you bring your body up, so you can feel it tight in the tummy, then you go back down again. So we go 3 of them, into 3 of lifting that legs up, pushing to the sky. Okay, so you keep doing that for 30 seconds. See how many rounds you can get in 30 seconds. Are you ready? In 3, 2, 1, let's go. Try and kick the ceiling. If you can't do that, stick to just having your legs up and keep doing crunches. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. Well done. So this one, we're just going to hold the plank for as long as you can. If you're feeling strong, you can do mountain climbers as well, so bring the legs in. For now, we'll start with plank and keep that position. Okay, so strong, back straight, you lift the head, arms and hands flat on the mat. Are we ready? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and hold. Keep your core tight, head up. Bring your legs in as well if you want to. Feel that burn. Fight through. Keep going. Keep there. 5, 4, 3, 2, I call them the froggy ups, okay? So feet together, soles of the feet together, and go lean forward, touch the floor in front of you, sit back, and then touch behind you, and repeat. Okay. Ready? And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
It's like
So keep going. Keep the pyramid shape. If you're finding this too much, just do the crunches. So have your strong legs in the air. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. Well done. Okay, so we're going to do that again. So last 4 movements. Or 3 movements, should I say. Then we're done. Okay, so well done. Last round. So crunches into leg ups. Are you ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's crunch. And leg up. And push. Remember, legs up. You don't feel confident enough to get your feet up. Okay, left, right. 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. Well done. Next up, plank or mountain climbers. It's up to you. It's your workout, your body. You know how you're feeling today. Remember, plank, straight back. Strong core. We're working hard on our core at the moment. You'll feel this tomorrow as well. Okay, you ready? Plank position. 3, 2, 1, and hold. Knees up as well as you want. Feel that burn. Ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. Well done. Into our froggy ups. The soles of the feet together. And we're ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Let's keep going. Doing well. Last one. Push it through. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. Well done. Take a drink on. I hope you're feeling sweaty as I am. That was a good one. Quick hit circuit. You've done so well. I've got one little treat for you. Okay, which is the plank jacks. Okay, so one last time. It's the last finisher of the day before you do cool down. So in the plank position, we're going to go down. Hold that position. From here, you jump out into the side. Okay, we're going to do full 30 seconds, and that's it. Okay, so 30 seconds, finish us off, feel good afterwards. Are we ready? In 3, 2, 1, let's go. Keep going. Yeah. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And well. Give yourselves a round of applause. You've done it. Okay, as a reward, you can lie down, okay? You're going to cool down, lie down, bring one knee up to your chest, stretch up. Big deep breaths, get your breath back, and switch legs. Okay, head above knees, move in a roll, from side to side. Just relax into the ball. The next step, we're going to go into lunge. So lunge forward, reach up. Okay, if you want, you can straighten the back leg. And feel the stretch. And switch legs. Open up the chest. And straighten the legs. Standing. Breathe in. And out. And breathe in. Side stretch. Love this song. You and you got me so. Reach for the stars. Reach up high. And this is 5 times. Legs over. Good job. Stretch your quads. Keep your knees together. Your back straight. Okay, switch legs. Whew. Hopefully you feel better now, ready for the weekend. Hope you enjoyed the session. Please give feedback. Happy to hear your comments and thoughts. I'm new to this as well, so any advice would be very welcome. If you've got any playlists you'd like me to play, give me a shout. Follow the social media as well. So we've got Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube. We're on there. So get in touch. Keep following us, we do other stuff as well. So we've got the Wellbeing Hub coming out soon. And there'll be loads of information and guidance on there as well. Okay, last breathe. So breathe in. And in. And give yourself a round of applause. Well done, thank you guys. And I'll see you next week.